Hi everyone. This is Asnan Ali, and today I'm going to show you one of the tools where you can create the ads and designs for your any of your website using your link. And it will take few minutes to create these kind of ad creatives for you and brand design for your brand. And you can edit this thing by yourself, and it will take few minutes, and it's totally free for you. So let's get started. You just need to visit this website called Pomelli. I will share the link in the description. After that, if your account is new, the first thing that you need to create is your business DNA. So here your business DNA will be created with your website, whatever the website you have. For example, I have this website and I want to have my brand design and colors and fonts should be implemented. So this will be done by using your DNA. The second thing is it will create campaigns for you with no time. And the third thing is it can create a product photo shoot. I will show you. And you can also create a brand book. So I will copy this link and I will click on let's go. It's simple. I will just paste and I will click on continue. And now it will analyze my website, my brand colors, my fonts, and it will take few minutes to analyze everything. And then you have everything on your site, like fonts, colors. All right, you can see that, and our business DNA is ready. You can see the company title, our fonts, and it's the logo that it captured there, and our colors. Its tagline has been captured. Our brand values, integrity, teamwork, commitment, active caring. Brand aesthetic is here. Brand voice is there. And business overview. So this is the complete DNA that has been captured automatically. And on the right side, you can see, hi, I'm an agent in Romilly. You will go to AI here to team up on the first shared goal, building your brand. Looks like we have got enough to get you going on product photos campaign on our website. Take a look at your business DNA to make sure you are happy with everything before moving on. So we can edit this out as well. If you think that this is not correct, you can do that. And by clicking on this pencil icon, or if you want to add anything, you can add more, and you can click on rethink if you think that this is not a right thing to go. So I will say for now it's looking good. Let's go. And then we have what you want to create for now. So for example, the campaign is generate creatives for social media campaigns. So it will automatically create a creatives for you, a bunch of creatives. I will show you in a while, and generate a professional on-brand product shot. So it looks realistic for product shots for you. And then we have website. For now, I think this feature is not very useful, but for those of you guys who have some brand guidelines ready but not do not have any website, this feature is useful. And the brand book is really useful. If you don't have any brand book, you just have the website and you want to create a starting brand book, this is a nice tool. So I first of all, let's create campaigns. I will click on campaigns, and you can see it have already created few of the campaigns from our website here. So on the left hand side, you can see the campaigns are here, and this is our business DNA that just we have created, and we can edit this at any time. And then there is an option of catalog, and I will let you know what are these things. Then there is an option of assets. It captures from our website, is uploaded here. You can see is it easily. And then we have an option of campaigns that I just show you. So this is our social media creatives, and we can use these on our ads as well, and we can edit them as well. I will show you how you can do it. And then there is an option of photo shoot. So this is an option to create a your product UGC photo shoot using AI, and this is really an amazing thing. And then we have an option to create a brand book. I just click on brand book and it started creating our brand book here. I will come back to it later on, but let me show you how you can work with campaigns. So here are the ad campaigns or any campaigns that you can use. I will click any of them. For example, this is one of the campaign that I want to edit out or maybe update it or delete it. You can delete it by using this thing. But if you want to update this thing or review this thing, you can just need to click on this thing, and you can see the whatever the images it has used, and there are few more options that has been given to you. What I can do is I can duplicate it in different format. Like if I want it is in square, it can be doable with that. Or if I want to download it, it will be easily we can download it. Or if I want to share this with Google Ads directly, it is possible, or Instagram, we can share it directly. Or there is also option to animate it. I will show you, or maybe I will click on animate, and you can see another creative is going to be created, and it will be animated in a while. So let me edit this thing. So if I click on this ad and I want to update my image preview, it's really simple. You just need to click on edit icon, upload your custom image, or select any of the image that you have already uploaded or it has been extracted from your website, and I can do it. So if I click on this thing, and so now you can see the precision of every detail, and then we can change the description as well. This is one of the description that you can change it here. You can change the header, the precision of every tile from using here. You can also change the font. Nice. And you can change the color of the fonts, the size of the font here. It is really simple to do it. So this is how you can edit any of your creatives. So let me show you the ad or animation that has been created. So if I click on play and see how does the animation looks like. So right now it's really simple. You can modify it after changing. You can again click on animate to see the result. So this is how you can update, and then you can download it using download, and it will be downloaded on your personal computer. So you can see it has been downloaded, and you can use it on your social media. There is another thing. This is the thing that they have created, but if you want to create some custom campaigns, you can do it by clicking on product, and it has captured few of the products from your website. But you can generate the brief. You can describe some campaigns here. For example, I want to create a campaign for this product, and you can attach your product here. So for example, this is one of my so I want to create a VR campaign. So these are few images. I will add it here, and I will say I want to create a campaign for this VR product for social media ads. So this is just a simple prompt, but you can update it using some AI tools and update the prompt, or you can say if I click on this here. So you can see the title has been added, description has been added. You can update these things if you want to. And it will ask few things before creating the campaign. What's the title of the campaign? What's the description of the campaign? And what is the goal of your campaign? Do you want to generate the leads? Do you want to engage? Did you have the engagement? Do you want to just have an impression? You can update it here. And what's the offer if you want to add that? And what's the size of your campaign you want? Maybe you want square, maybe you want feet. So I will maybe say feet, and I click on confirm. So nice. So you can see there are few versions that are created with the images we have provided, with the goal we have in our mind. So integrated beam and AI power, our immersive preview ensure technical accuracy for your most high stakes. So there are few variations that are created, and you can click on that. If you don't like anything, you can update it. So that's most of it from campaigns. Now let's see on the brand book we have created here. I will select this and click on confirm, and then you can select few of the images, maybe 3 to 7 images that we can select. So I select this one. So you can select few of these, and I will click on confirm. So now you can see that our brand book has been created. There are few things that you can see. Brand overview is there, brand logo is there, and typography is there, color palette is there, imagery are are added, brand voice is there. So this is one of the very basic brand book that is created. You can add it on your website. You can share it with your clients, and this is really useful. You can update this as well by downloading it, or you can share it to anyone else. So this is how brand book looks like. I can delete. I can download it, open in a new tab. You can see that this is created brand logo, typography, color palette, imagery, brand voice, and it looks really nice. If I want to edit images, edit cover image, edit business DNA. So all the information here is picked up from our business DNA. So if you want to update something, you need to update it here. Number second thing is photoshoot here. So if you want to create some photo shoot, you can create a product photo shoot using this. Choose a product image and templates to get professional shots, or generate or edit an image. So you can generate here. So I will create a product using product image. I will select the image. For example, I've uploaded one of the product image that is a camera, and I would say looks good. So these are the four that are selected by default. You can click on edit and choose something. For example, if I don't want this, I can click on ingredient one or flatty one. So I can modify. So right now these are four that are picked up automatically. I can unselect this and I want something else. I can pick it up using the pre-built templates here. So I picked up these four. You can also change the format, and then I can click on create from template. All right, you can see there are four templates. The first one is studio. This one is studio. Second one is floating. The floating is here. In use is here. And the fourth one was contextual. So this is in contextuals. I like these two variations. So it depends upon which one is your product. It will recommend you something, and then from these things you can create a campaign using this product. It will take me here. You can see the four images that we just created using our photo shoot are selected here. I can describe my campaign, and then I will do the same process that I have shown you in my last segment. So this is how the campaigns work out. I have shown you brand book, photo shoot, campaigns. Now let me show you the second is catalog. So if I click on catalog here, you can see there are pre-built catalog that are added here. It is analyzed using the website, but you can build more. So these are the catalog that you can create by yourself, and it can be used. So for example, you want to run different campaigns. One is for cameras, one is for another product. Maybe you have watches you're selling, maybe you're selling the pin, maybe you're selling roof construction. So there are different catalogs that you can create, and it will help you to organize different things in a one umbrella. Or you can add from URL as well. You can just add different products. You can see your business.com/products. Whatever the products you have, you can save here. So that's the brief overview of using Pomili. I hope you like this thing. If you have any questions, or if you want to create your personal personal business DNA or campaigns, you can reach me out. I would love to help you out. I have added my email in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to have another AI tool overview, you can comment in the video below. I would love to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.